Welcome. In this video, we would like to show you how to record a dictation with the Digta CordEx dictation microphone from Grundig Business Systems. We will also explain how to playback or overwrite a dictation, insert a passage into an existing dictation, and end a dictation. The Digta CordEx control elements. First, we would like to show you the individual buttons and switches on the microphone. On the right-hand side of the microphone is a black on/off button. At the bottom of the Digta CordEx display, you can see three control buttons. Their function depends on the software settings. The default setting is as follows. The button with the blue dot is used to record a dictation. The button in the middle is the fast forward button. The button with the yellow dot is used to insert text passages in a dictation. Under the control buttons is the slide switch with 4 settings. You can use this to record and or playback dictations and to rewind. Under the slide switch, you can find 3 other function buttons. You can customize these as required. Recording a dictation. We would now like to show you how to record a dictation. Firstly, press the on/off button until you hear a short signal. Battery status is shown at the top right of the display. The symbol in the top left corner shows the connection status. Before you start recording, make sure that the Digta CordEx slide switch is in the stop position. Then start your dictation software, such as Dictasoft. Now press the button with the blue dot to record the dictation. The display now shows the pause symbol when the device is ready to record. The recording display also lights up red. Move the slide switch to the recording position. The recording symbol appears in the display, and the recording display is lit up red. You can now dictate your text. To pause the dictation, move the slide switch to the stop position. The pause symbol appears in the display, and the recording display flashes red. Continue the dictation by moving the slide switch to the recording position. You can now speak into the microphone. Playing back the dictation. You can play back the dictation by moving the slide switch to the rewind position or pressing the operating button, fast forward, to get to the required place in the text. The appropriate symbols appear in the display. Move the slide switch to play back the dictation at the current position. Overwriting a dictation. We would now like to show you how to overwrite a dictation. Move the slide switch to the rewind position or use the fast forward button to find the place in the dictation you want to overwrite. Then move the slide switch to the stop position. Now move the slide switch to the recording position and dictate the changes. From this point onwards, the dictation is overwritten. Inserting a text passage into the existing dictation. If you want to insert a passage into the existing dictation, proceed as follows. Move the slide switch to the rewind position or use the fast forward button to find the place where you want to insert the new passage. Then move the slide switch to the stop position. Press the button with the yellow dot and move the slide switch to the recording position. You can now dictate the new text. The new text is integrated into the existing dictation at the place you selected. Move the slide switch to the stop position and then press the button with the yellow dot. The inserted recording ends. Ending the dictation. Close the dictation by pressing the button with the blue dot. A window opens on your PC. Click on Dictating Complete. Now the Dictasoft window appears. Your dictation is in the My Dictations folder. Now you are familiar with some of the basic functions of the Digta CordEx dictation microphone. Grundig Business Systems hopes you enjoyed dictating.